All right, so today we're going to talk about MRPs versus ERPs for SMBs. I can already tell I'm going to have a problem with this. Okay, so MRP stands for Meal Replacement Powder. That's not right. Stands for Manufacturing Requirements Planning. See, I knew that. And then ERP stands for Early Retirement Planning. Who wrote this? ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. See, they're different. Okay, so I'm going to embrace my full meathead here, and that's fine. But let's say you have a company that manufactures a barbell. So they have raw products that come in, and they might even receive some of these parts from a third-party manufacturer, and they have to just assemble part of this. That's fine. We're going to use this. So for this theoretical company, an MRP, which stands for Manufacturing Requirement Planning, an MRP would be concerned with all the parts that would go into this barbell and making sure that they are on hand, and if we need to purchase more, that they're purchased for this particular item. And so it's planning and accounting, and there's typically a calendar involved, so that this item can be built and assembled, and then now you have your finished product of a barbell. So how does that look if it is an enterprise resource planning tool? Hey, I got it. In this instance, this theoretical company isn't just worried now about the barbell and its subassemblies and parts, etc. It is worried about the entire process of the company, the enterprise, of making sure that their logistics of everything coming in, tracking where their stuff is in their warehouse, making sure that they have all the right bill of materials, etc. It is the whole big picture, if you will, of the barbell, probably several barbells, and their other equipment or products that they sell and provide to their customers. It is looking at the whole picture of making sure that everything is in place. Okay, so in reality, the differences between these two used to matter more, years back, but nowadays, all these types of processes, planning, and tools have kind of merged into the same thing. Like, you wouldn't just want to buy an MRP and not also be thinking about the ERP. Don't ask me to keep saying what those long words are. We're going to stick to acronyms. The point is, the water's gotten kind of muddy and murky, and really everything that you would need, purchases, receiving, sales orders, purchase orders, we'll look at the list again, picking, shipping, customer relations, everything in between is right there in your inventory software hub. Boop. You don't just need an MRP or an ERP, you need all the MPs. That doesn't make sense, okay? Well, just, I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.